हेलो डियर यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स। तो ये वीडियो में सारे ही प्रीवियस ईयर यूपीएससी सीसैट के नंबर सिस्टम के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। अब देखिए क्या है कि पहले हम यूपीएससी 2023 के क्वेश्चन करेंगे। आप देखेंगे कि यूपीएससी 2023 में नंबर सिस्टम से आपको 13-14 क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे। ओके, वैसे तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक 15 है, बट लेट्स से कि 13-14 क्वेश्चंस ही अगर आपको बन गए, जितना भी हमने नंबर सिस्टम अभी तक पढ़ा है, तो 15 इंटू 2.5 आपको 37.5 मार्क्स दिला सकते हैं। चलिए 30 मार्क्स ही आ गए। अब आपको नेक्स्ट चाहिए 36। कुछ रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लीजिए और कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे सॉल्व कर लीजिए जो कि कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वगैरह है, तो आपका सी सैट क्लियर्ड है। ओके, तो चलिए यूपीएससी 2023 के सी सैट क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। अब ओके, so in this part we'll try to solve all the previous year question of UPSC CSAT 2023, and you will see how many questions are coming from the number system. That alone 50% of the marks required to qualify you will get from the number system itself. Okay, so let us see this question. So you have 2 to the power 192 divided by 6. Okay, 2 to the power 192 divided by 6. Now see what we can write. 2 to the power 192, 2 to the power 192 into 2 divided by 6. Okay, and then 2 1 times and 2 3 times. But you always remember, whenever we do the remainder theorem, we do what? So whenever we do the remainder theorem, we'll keep aside this 2, the factor by which we have cancelled, and whatever the remainder will come, we will multiply it by that number. Okay, we'll multiply it by that number. So we are cancelling this. This becomes 2 to the power 192, 191 divided by 3. Okay, now see what? This is a prime number. Okay, this is a prime number, and this is in the form, this is, we can make this in the form of a to the power p minus 1 divided by p. So we'll get the remainder 1, but there will be something left. Okay, there will be something left. So a to the power p minus 1 is what? 2. Okay, and you know that this 190 can be written as what? 2 into something. Okay, 2 into something. 190 will be written as, we say, I think 2 into 95. Okay, so you will get, yes, 2 into 95 plus 1 you can write, divided by 3. So this part, which is like the factor of this p minus 1, p minus 1 is what? 2, and this 190 is a factor of 2. So based on that, we can say that 2 to the power 2 into 95 dot 2 divided by 3 can be written as what? Can be written as 1, and then the remainder is what? 2. But wait, I said that whenever there is 6 in the denominator, you have to multiply by that. So you multiply by 2. So you get 4 as your remainder. Okay, so you get 4 as your remainder. So see, we saw the topic of the remainder theorem, and then it is so easy to do these questions. Okay, even more easy than any other question. Now look at this question. It is saying what is the remainder of 85, 87, 89, 91, 95, 96 all multiplied by 100. Now see, we have done these questions. What we did, this is UPSC CSAT question of 2023 only. Okay, the CSAT paper that killed your dreams. But if you see, this is a very simple question. 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 divided by 100. We can easily apply our remainder theorem here, but will not apply. Why? Because see, if you take this 85, there is a factor of 5 in here. If you say this 95, there is a factor of 5 in here. And this also contains 2, 5, 5 square as it factors. So that will get cancelled. Okay, that will get cancelled. And if you see this 96, okay, 96 is what? 6 into 16, which is what? 2 into 4 into 4. Okay, so now you are getting what? That you have 4 as a factor in here, and you have 4 as a factor in here as well. So this 100 will completely get cancelled by these number. So the remainder we are going to get, is what? It is 0. Okay, so it is completely divisible. There is no remainder. So we get our answer as 0. We don't even need to apply the remainder theorem. This was so simple. Okay. And now look at this question. It is, see guys, look at this question. How many natural numbers are there which given a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divided by these natural numbers? Okay, so 1186 is divided by some natural number. You are getting 31 as remainder. That means if 31 was subtracted from this number, then this number will completely divide this number. Okay, because 1155 will give 0 remainder, but if I like add 31, then it will give 31 remainder with any number x. Okay, now see, one more thing that I have told you in my previous CSAT classes is that whenever you divide any number, so the remainder will always be less than that number. So whichever factor you are counting, that should be greater than 31 to give the remainder. Because see, if you are like taking 2 or 3, then you will get the remainder 0 and 1 only for 2. For 3, you will get the remainder 0, 1, 2 only. Okay, so how will get the remainder here? Let us see. So 1155 we get when we subtract 1186 minus 31. Okay, we get 1155. Now, what is the factors of 1155? So, I get 11 into 105 because 105 and 105. So, 1155. Okay, so I get 11 into 105. Now, this can be further factorized as 7 into 3 into 5. Okay, because 21 into 5 is 105, 21 is 7 into 3. Now, let us find how many factors are there which are greater than 31. Okay, so we arrange this as 3, 5, 7 and 11. So 3 into 5 not greater, 5 into 7 35, that is greater. Okay, so we keep here 35 as our first number. Second number is what? 3 into 11, 33 is greater than 31, will leave the remainder 31 only. Okay, then third number is what? 3 into 7, 21, no. 7 into 11, 77. Okay, this number. Then fourth number is what? 55. 55 is also greater than 31, can reach the remainder 31. Okay. Then fifth number, let us try like the multiplication of these. So we have 3, 5 and 11. You will get 165. This will also leave the remainder 31. Then let us take our sixth number. What will be our sixth number? That will be 3, 7 and 11. Okay. So that will be 21 and 21. That is 231. This will also leave the remainder 31. Then let us look for our seventh number. So that will be 5 into 7 into 11. So that will be what? 35 into 35. Sorry, 35 and 35. Okay. So that will give 385. We get another number that is divisible. Okay, so can we find any more number now? Okay, so we can definitely find more numbers. How we are going to find more numbers? See, 3 into 5 into 11 we have done. 3 into 5 into 7 we have not done. So we get our eighth number. 105 is also a factor of 1155. That will also leave the remainder 31 when 1186 is divided by 8. And finally 1155 itself. Okay, 1155 itself. Now you see greater than this, we don't have the number only. So 9 is our answer. Okay, so 9 is our answer. So this is how we get our answer. Okay, so this question came. Now look at this. This question is saying 57242 when raised to the power 9753 1. Then what is the unit digit? See, I already told you, if your unit digit is 2 and you are raised to the power, let's say x, so this x will be in the form of 4n, 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3. Okay, and when this x is in this format, so if like this is 4n, so you will raise 2 to the power 4 and last digit will be 6 because 16, so 6 will be your number. If 4n plus 1, then 2 to the power 2, then 2. If 4n plus 2, then 4 will be your last digit, and if 2 cube, then 8 will be your last digit. Okay, so this number. So basically we have to find what is the remainder when this number is divided by 4. Then we can express in the form of 4n plus 1 plus 2 or 4n itself. Okay, so what we'll do here, 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 divided by 4. Here only we can find what is the remainder. We don't need to multiply also. So 4 4 will give you plus 1 remainder here. Okay. 4 will give you minus 1 remainder here. I already told you 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus and minus 1 can be written as remainder here. For 5, 1 can be written as remainder. For 3, minus 1 can be written as remainder. And you get 1 here, you get 4. So basically you are getting plus 1 only as remainder. Okay. Because minus minus will get plus. So plus 1 as remainder. So then you have 4n plus 1. Okay, it is in the form of 4n plus 1. So your unit digit will be 2 only. Okay, so this is how you get our answer. This was so easy. Okay, if we know the concept, this is so easy. Fine. Now look at this question. It is saying D is a 3-digit number such that the ratio of number to the sum of its digit is least. What is the difference between the digit at the 100 place and the digit at the tens place? Okay. So they are saying D is a 3-digit number. Okay. And you have to what? Let us say you have this A, B and C. Okay, and you have to divide this number A, B and C with A plus B plus C. Okay, so what is the difference between the 100 digit and the unit digit if the ratio of the number has to be like the smallest? Okay, so this is 3-digit number. We have all the digits in the world to put it here. Okay, so obviously A we can't put it equal to 0 because then it won't be a 3-digit number. Now see, if we are putting a least number in A and a bigger number in C, so this number will remain smaller but this addition will become bigger. Okay, so how we can do this? So if I put A is equals to 1 and I need this number to be small only na, so I'll put B equal to 0. I can put it. So I put B equal to 0 and C I will put it equal to 9. Now if I put A plus B plus C, so that this becomes 10, your ratio is 10.9. Okay, now you can try any other number. You will always get a bigger ratio. Okay, you will always get a, you will always get a bigger ratio. How? See, if you are putting, let's say 2 here and 0 here, and let's say we are putting 0 only here. So this number is like smallest. But if you are like putting 2 plus 0, then this will be 2 only. Then you see the ratio is 100 and this ratio is 10.9. This is so less. Okay, this is so less. If you put like 108, then you will get 1 plus 8 here. So this number is relatively bigger and this number has decreased a lot. So now you will get what? 9 one times and then again 9 two times. Your ratio is getting bigger here. This is the smallest ratio you can get in this case. So what is the difference between your digit at the 100 place and the tens place? 9 minus 1, that is 8. So 8 is your answer. So I hope you understand how we get this. Okay. So this question also came in UPSC 2023. Now this was not a tough question. Okay, this was easy question only. Now look at this question. It is saying AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. Multiplying AB and CD results in a 3-digit number DEF. Adding DEF to another 3-digit number results number GHI results in 975. Further, A, B, C, D, E, F, G are distinct digit. If E is equals to 0, F is equals to 8, then what is A plus B plus C? Okay. So we have A, B and C, D are 2-digit number and we are multiplying A, B and C, D. Then we get D, E, F. Fine, we get a 3-digit number. Now D, E, F is added to G, H, I and the result is what? 975. Now they are saying this A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I are all what? All distinct. Now to us E is given equal to 0 and F is given equal to 8. Okay. So if F is equal to 8 and we are adding here, okay, DF is added to another number. So definitely if F is 8, then I needs to be 7 because then it will be 15, then 1 will carry over here. So if E is equals to 0, 1 is carry over here. So H will be what? This is 7, this is 0, this is 1. So H definitely needs to be 6, you know. Okay, H definitely needs to be 6. Now this is 9. So for 9, D has to be either 4. So if D is equals to 4, G will be equal to 5. And if D is equals to 5, then G will be equal to 4. Anything can happen in this. Okay, anything can happen here. Okay, now it is given that AB into CD will give us DEF. So this DEF is what? DEF, if D is equals to 4, then you get 408 because E is equals to 0, F is equals to 8. If G is equals to F, then you get 508. Okay, now you have A, B and C, D here. Now obviously you know if you put C here, okay, if you put C here, D, you put 5 here, any number when multiplied by 5, this b can be any number. If any number is multiplied by 5 or a factor of 55, then that will give your unit digit as either 5 or it will give your unit digit as what? 0, because if b is an even number, so you will get this unit digit as 0, and if b is an like odd number, then you will get this unit digit as 5 when you are multiplying. Okay, this is what we learn when we like understand the factorization of 5. So we come to know that d is not equal to 5. So if d is not equal to 5, then d is definitely equal to 4. Okay, d is definitely equal to 4. Now this is what, now you know. Okay, this DEF is definitely, you know, that this can be 408. Why? Because this D we have fixed for, so this will be 408 only. 508 ka possibility we are rejecting. Okay, so we get 408 here. Now AB into CD is equals to 408. 408, what are the factors? So I find 40 factors are 8 into, this will be what? 8 5s are 40 and 8 1 times. Okay. Now this has to be 4. Okay. This has to be 4. So we come to know that our D will be equal to 4 and this will be 408 only. So let us factorize like 408. Okay. So when we factorize 408, what we are going to get here is that we have 408. Okay, so this, the factors are what? 8 is 8, you can take common, so you will get 51. Okay, so you have 8, you have 51, and so 51 is what? 17 into 3. So 17 into 3 into 8 is the factor of 408. Now you know, see, we can't have this b is equals to 17. Okay, this b is equals to 17 cannot be there. Otherwise, we could have easily done this. This CD can be 24. But because is not equal to 17, then we have to find alternative. So we'll have this 7 into 3 into 4 into 2. So 17 into 2 is 34. Okay, then AB is equals to what? If we'll do 17 into 2 is 34, then AB will be 12. Okay. Now see, I could not put B here because I equal to 7 and I cannot use like, because this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are all distinct digit. Okay. So AB is equals to 12 we are getting and CD is equals to 34 we are getting. So A is what? 1, B is what? 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus C is what? C I am getting as, what did we get? CD here. Okay, so CD we get here equal to 34. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we get 6 as our answer. Okay, so this is how we do this question. Now let's move forward. Now this is another question of like UPSC 2023 itself. See how many questions are there in UPSC CSAT of number system only. So if you have A, B, C and D, E, F are both 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E and F are all distinct non-zero digits such that A, B, C and D, E, F are 1, 1, 1, 1, then what is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? Okay. So you have this number. Now they are saying they are both 3-digit number. Okay. All are distinct digit, all are non-zero digit. So we have A plus B, D, E, F, and then it is given this is 1, 1 and 1. What is the value of A plus B plus D plus E plus F? So they are all non-distinct. All non-zero distinct number. Okay. So see, let us start from, let's say, C and F. Then if I'll keep like F is equals to, let's say, 7, then I'll have to keep C equal to 4. Okay, then I am getting 11 here. 1 carry over here. Now see, b plus c is equals to what? 10. But I cannot use 7. I cannot use 4 there. Okay, so what are my options to make this 10? Okay, so my options to make this 10 are 7 I cannot use, 3 I can 3 I cannot use here. Okay, so 5 plus 5 I cannot use, 6 plus 4 I cannot use. Okay, so what are the options? See, I can use 9, I can use 1. Okay, I can use 9 and I can use 1. Then this will be 11, then 1 carry over. Okay, now again I have to find like what? This I have to make 10 and 1 will be carry over. So this will be 11. Now I cannot use 7, I cannot use 4, I cannot use 9, I cannot use 1. So to make 10, I'll like use 8 and 2. Okay, 8 and 2. Now sum all these digits. What are you going to get? 11 you are going to get here. 10 you are going to get here and 10 you are going to get here. So 31. See, I already got my answer when I was doing this. How? Because see, this two digit I have to make equal to 11. So their sum is 11. Now, because 1 is carry over here, this two digit sum should be 10. So their sum is 10. And again 1 will be carry over here. So this two digit sum should be 10. So again there is 10. So I get 31. So 31 is my answer. Okay. 31 is my answer. So this is how I get. Fine. Now look at this question. It is saying a number n is formed by writing 99999 for 99 times. What is the remainder when it is divided by 13? Okay. So see, when I am writing 100, okay, if I am writing 100, so that means 10 to the power I am writing 2. So 2 zeros, so I am using it equal to the power 2. Okay. When I am writing 1000, okay, so 10 to the power what I am writing? I am writing 3, 3 zeros 3. So if I have to like write 99999 times will come when 10 times 99 minus 1 you will do. So it will come 99999 times. Okay. So like if you are using 9, so 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Similarly, if you are using 100, so 99 plus 1 is equals to 10. So 100 how you are getting 10 square. Okay, so 10 square minus 1 will give you 99. Similarly, 10 to the power 99 minus 1 will give you what? 9999 times. Okay, so now my number is what? 10 to the power 99 minus 1 divided by 13. Okay, now you know that this 10 to the power 99 is what? You can make it in the form of a to the power p minus 1 divided by p. Okay, so you have to find the remainder here. This is minus 1. So subtract whatever remainder you are getting with minus 1 and then you will get your answer. So let us like do this. Okay, so I think you must have understood this concept. So I'm rubbing this. Okay, so we are getting 10 to the power 99 here minus 1 here. Okay, divided by 13. Fine. So now what I am getting here, see, I will use a to the power p minus 1 divided by 13 or I can use this 10 only, but let us use this. So a to the power p minus 1 is 12. So what is the 12 factor here? See, I can write this 12 as 12 into 8 is 96. Okay, so I can write this as 96 plus 3. Okay, divided by 13 minus 1 is also there. Okay, so now this one will become 10 to the power 96 and this one will become 10 cube and divided by 13. First find the remainder of this, then multiply, then subtract with minus 1. Okay, then subtract that remainder by minus 1. So 10 to the power 96 will give you remainder 1 because we have already established it well. We know this methodology. So now what is the remainder when 10 to the power 3 is divided by 13? Okay, so let us find this 1000 divided by 13. Okay, see what we are going to get the remainder here. So 13 you will do how many times? 13 into 7 is 91 I guess. 3 7s are 21, 2 91. So we are getting 91 here. Now what is left here? 9 and 0 and 0. So now you are obviously going to use what? 13 into 8. So 8 threes are 24. You get here what? Sorry. 13 into 6 we are going to use. So 7, 3 6 are 18. 1, this will become 78. Okay. So we put 78 here. So obviously, no, you know your remainder is going to be 12 here. So my remainder is coming for this term equal to 12. I have to subtract 1 from this remainder. Now my remainder is 11. So my remainder is 11. Okay. So only the remainder theorem, no other tricks we are using. Okay. Only the remainder theorem we are using. Fine. So this question is not on the easier side, but still it can be solved by the logic of the remainder theorem. Now look at this. This question also came in UPSC 2023. Now it is saying each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Okay. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? So see, this question is very much logical. If you like do this 11 into 11, so you get 121. What you are doing? See, you are taking 11 and then you are adding one number here, then you are doing this. Okay. When you are getting this 111, you are multiplying triple one. So then you are getting 1 3. Sorry, when you are multiplying this triple one, so you are getting 111, and 111. So what is the number you are getting? 12321. So you are understanding that you are having these three numbers. So you are getting a 5-digit number. In the middle you are getting what? 3, and in the sides you are getting what? 2 and 1. So when you are have this 9 11s, okay, so in the middle you will get 9, and both the sides you will get what? 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Here also you are going to get what? 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this will be the multiplication of 1 1 1 1 1 1 9 times. Okay. Now see, you just have to add these numbers. So 1 to 8 you will add. So use the arithmetic progression formula n plus 1 by 2 and multiply it by 2, because 2 times you have to add, and then just add 9 to it. So you will get your answer. Okay. So what is n plus 1 by 2? Here how many? N is 1. Sorry, n is not 1. You have how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 plus 1 divided by 2, but we'll multiply 2 here because this side also and this side also. Okay, so we'll do this. So 8 into 9 is what? 72, and 72 plus 9 is 81. 81. So this is our answer. Was this question very tough? No. So this question could easily be solved in UPSC CSAT. Okay. Now look at this question. Uh, it is saying what is the sum of all digits which appear in all the integers from 10 to 100. Okay, this is the question. So sum of all the digits which appear in all the integers from 10 to 100. Now look at this. Okay, so when you are doing this, so you will have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so how many times you are having 1? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 into 10 plus sum of all these digits. So 1 to 9 you are having sum. So you can do by n plus 1 by 2. So that will be 9 into 10, because n plus 1 is what? 10 divided by 2. So this becomes what? 45. Okay, 45. Now from 1 to 100 you are doing now. So what you are going to get? From 10 to 99 you have to repeat this process. So 1 into 10, similarly that will be next series will be 20, 21, 23, 24, and so on. So 2 into 10, this 0 1 to 3 addition will remain same. So you will get 45. Then you will get 3 into 10, then you will have 45. Then you will get what? 4 into 10. Similarly, this type you will get 9 into 10 times. Okay, 9 into 10 times. So 1 to 9. Okay, so basically that will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot till 9, and into 10 plus 45 9 times. Okay, So you know this 1 plus 2 plus 3 till dot dot 9 is already 45 because we have already calculated. So 45 into 10, this becomes 450. Now what is this 45 into 9? So this is very easy. That will be 405 because this will be just 45 less than 450. So I get 855. But wait, 100 also we are including now. So sum of digit of 100 is what? 1 only. So 1. So 856 is our answer. Okay. So I hope you understand this thing. This is a very general thing. Okay. So nothing special in UPSC CSAT question. Fine. Okay, now let's look at this question. It is given a three-digit number ABC on multiplication with D gives 37DD, where A, B, C, D are different non-zero digit. What is the value of A plus B plus C? Okay, so let us try. So there is a three-digit number ABC, and when multiplied by D, this is giving us 37DD. So let us try to write this in our own format. What? That this ABC is what? 100A plus 10B, and C is giving you this into multiplied by is giving you 37DD. This 37DD can be written as what? 37 into 100. See, this can be written as 3 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 10 into D plus D. But because that will eventually make it 37 into 100, so I am writing it equal to that. Okay. So this becomes 10D and this becomes 1D. So now this number is what? 3700 plus 11D. Okay. Now this ABC is equals to 3700 divided by D. Okay. So now this number is coming to be 3700 divided by D plus 11. Okay. Plus 11. Fine. Now you see we have this ABC, and what is the value of A plus B plus C it is asking. Okay. So now it is saying A, B, C, D are all distinct digit. All distinct digit. Okay. So now we have to find a number D. Okay. We have to find a number D from which this number is completely divisible. Okay. From which this number is completely divisible. So let us find any number D. So see, this is completely divisible by 2 because it is an even number. Okay, this is not divisible by D can be equal to 2, but then this number will become so big that this will not be a three digit number, because if you divide 3700 by 2, then how much you are going to get? 2 1 times is 2. Okay, 2 8 times is 16 and 2 5 times is 10. So 1850 you are getting. 1850 plus 11 you will get 1867. So this cannot be A, B and C because this is a 4-digit number. Okay. So we'll try to see to divide this number by a number that is that will make it a 3-digit number. Okay. So it will multiply. This is not divisible by 3 because 3 plus 7 is 10. So not divisible. Okay. So let us try by 4. So if you divide this by 4, just half this. So you are getting what? 2 9 times. Okay. 2 2 times is 4 and 2 5 times is 10. Okay. So you are getting 925 here. So I am saying this 3-digit number will become what? 925 plus 11, that is 936. Okay. This A, B and C will become 936. Alright. So this A, B and C are becoming 936. Now C. So D is equal to 4. Okay. A is equals to 9 and B is equals to what? 3 and C is equals to 6. See, these are all distinct numbers. Okay. So if we add 9 plus 3, that will become what? 12. 12 plus 6 will become 18. So 18 is our answer. You can check for other number as well. But I am getting a valid answer here. I am getting a valid option in my option list also. So I will mark this and I will move ahead because I have to do other questions as well. Okay, so this is how we can do this question. It's an easy question. It can be done. Okay, now look at this question. It is saying for any choices of value of xyz, the 6-digit number of the form xyz is divisible by what? Again, UPSC 2023 question. If not 2023, I guess 2022. So xyz is what? So this number xyz can be written as xyz into 1000 plus xyz. Okay, now you do take xyz common, so this will become 1000 plus 1. Okay, so this will become 1001. Now you know this 1001 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. So let us check it divisibility by 7. Okay, so 1001, 7, 7 1 times, you get here what? 30. 7 fours are 28, you get here 21, and 7 threes are 21. Okay, so we are getting 7. It is divisible by 7. Now this 143. Let us find the factors of these 143. Okay, so 13 if we take and multiply this by 11, this will be 13 and 13. So 143. So this number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So now our answer is what? 7, 11 and 13. So this is also easy question only. Okay, this can be done, I think. Fine. Now, look at this question. It is saying how many 8-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits of the number 11, 22, 33, 44, such that odd digits occupy odd position and even digit occupy even position. So you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 position. So 4 position are odd and 4 position are even. And we have how many numbers? We have 8 numbers, we have 4 even numbers, and we have 4 odd numbers. So see, 4 odd numbers can be arranged in 4 odd places in factorial 4 ways, and 4 even numbers can be arranged in 4 even places in factorial 4 ways. But these two odd number are similar, 1 and 1 is similar, so we'll divide this by factorial 2. Okay, and these two odd number 3 and 3 are also similar, so we will divide this by factorial 2 twice. And even number, so we will divide this by factorial 2 and factorial 2. So what are we getting here? Factorial 4 is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. So we are getting this all cancelled, 6. Okay, and you have to multiply this. Okay, you have to multiply this arrangement. So 6 into 6 we are getting 36. So 36 is our answer. So I hope all of you understand this, that number system question are not that difficult. Okay, if we know the concepts, we have seen all the number system here, and we can see that each of the question could be solved by the concepts we already know. Okay, so this is how we can do these questions. So let's move.